Made some changes to my pickup analyzer after speaking to some people from the industry. So I'm going to have a talk about what these changes are. So the first thing is that the frequency response screen has now got some indicators on there to show, I'll give you an idea of the decibel level and also the frequency at any point in time. So it's got a basic indication, but it certainly gives you enough information to be able to estimate things happening at particular frequencies. I've also added a repeat function on this screen, which allows you to repeat this test. What that allows you to do is to make comparisons between pickups. So it's quite useful. And that works by during the frequency response test, you can press the next button and it will switch it to repeat mode. Once it gets to the end of the frequency response test, it waits for you to press the next button again to start the test again. So in that time you can connect a different pickup or switch your guitar to a different pickup. But that's the whole point of this test, is then it'll run then a second test, further tests, showing you the responses or different frequency responses of different pickups. The very last one that you do there will carry on to do the resonant frequency test for that last selected pickup and the inductance test, and the end results will only apply to the last tested pickup. I've also added another mode which is called guitar mode, which gives you a more sensitive frequency response graph. And the reason being is that when you connect it to a guitar, although the device was really never designed for direct connection to a guitar, it actually does it quite well and shows quite well the difference between pickups on a guitar. The problem is that the signal is dampened by the resistors inside the guitar, so the potentiometers. So when the first screen comes on, when it measures the reference voltage, you can press the next button and hold it for 4 seconds and it will automatically take it into this guitar mode. The guitar mode will then just repeatedly carry out frequency response tests. So it gets to the end of the frequency response of whatever you've got connected or selected, and then you can change whatever's connected to it, press the next button again, and it'll carry out another frequency response test at this more sensitive range. It's basically twice as sensitive as the standard version. On the results screen, I also show the parasitic capacitance of the pickup. Oh no, isn't it? Okie doke. Ciao.